Are you taping me? You ass. Is that it?
I don't know. All right, she's loopy. I'll reinstall this and get back.
I'ma blow up.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's January 3rd. It's about 8:30 right now. I have the water valve I have to pick up that came in from yesterday. I also have a bunch of like property management stuff. I have a couple walkthroughs on a unit that I'm going to be turning. So before that, I'll bring you guys along and I'll go through the units, see what needs to be done. And that'll be the next project I do, probably starting this week anyway. Hopefully it's not that bad. So, and then after that, we'll go to Sue's house and we'll just reinstall that water valve and get her dishwasher back up and running for her. All right, guys, you know how we do it. Get it. All right, guys, I just came to this turn. Just doing a quick little walkthrough. So it doesn't look bad from what I've seen. So there is going to be some painting to do. There's minor drywall fixes and things from hanging pictures, things like that, which is nice. So yeah, they're good tenants. They were here for maybe 9 years actually. So I'm quite surprised that there's as little to do here. But you know, when you start getting into it, you find things. The sink here, I'm going to probably replace the faucet. I'm not sure. It's not turning properly. It's either that or I might try to move that up a bit. The drains, I'm going to clean them out. The stove's working. It's pretty clean too, which is nice. Here, fridge works. Needs a clean, but it's not horrible. That's great. Any little things like this, I might even just leave that one because it might be somewhere you hang. No, I'll take it off. All the receptacles look good. Covers are on. All that. I have my showing coming. So once I finish them up, I'll get back with you. But yeah, it doesn't look bad, which is nice. I'm gonna call them and see if they are gonna be taking whatever's left in here. But everything looks pretty good. Maybe work on a cover for this. More cosmetic issue, but yeah, I don't know who moves out and leaves other soap. We have to test this shower too. Don't really like those showers. All right, guys. Well, once I'm done with those viewings, I'll get back with you. And I also did pick up the water valve for the in-law there. So after that, I'm gonna go and deal with that. So if I don't see you after that, I will see you at Sue's house. So let's get it. Your garage smells like what?
An animal died in it.
Why?
I think it's some rotten lunch meat that I have out there. But oh God, when I walked out there, I just about died. So
Why do you keep lunch meat in the garage? You should keep it in the fridge.
I put it in the garbage. I should have kept it in the garbage so tonight. Are you taping me? You ass.
Sweet. All right, guys, we're back at Sue's house. I got the new water valve. I'm just gonna pop this in and reinstall the dishwasher for her so she can wash dishes again.
While she's watching TV.
While she's watching TV.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so this just slides onto here.
Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. Failure ain't an cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. Not because I want this. Don't try to stop me now. I don't give a fuck if you got a college degree. Did you learn anything? Really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your back.
Okay, can we let's just do a quick test run. What do you do to normally work it?
This. Hold this for 4 seconds. Shut the door. That's on.
Okay, so it's thinking.
I don't normally see this, right? Because it was hidden. When you put that back, if you put it in lower, then I can see it. Is it working?
Yeah, it's doing something. It's thinking.
Maybe I never see that.
Okay, well, just don't touch it yet.
I won't touch it. I thought there was always something there.
Did you adjust the drain?
No, but you did.
I love messing with her.
Hey Google, stop. I should hear it filling now, I think.
I think it's still thinking, and it was. You're doing something. Do you have another Kleenex? I'm going to dry that up a little more.
Oh, you think it's too wet?
No, it's doing its thing. I can hear it.
There. Oh, I guess.
And also, I'm just going to check for the leaks.
Yes, I always thought there was red, like time on there.
Here, you can see here what it's doing. Look. When the water turns on, this is what it's doing.
Oh yeah.
So the water comes up through somewhere here. It goes down inside.
Yeah.
You can see the drain has a little bit of water in it. It's always held there. And it's not leaking.
Nothing to that.
What?
That's underboard.
It's supposed to stay down. It's a float. So when, if water ever gets in here again, that white thing goes up and activates that switch. That's what was happening. Do you have dishes to wash?
Not a whole load. I haven't left for dinner though. But I don't mind going through just to rinse it out because I sprayed it all with Dettol. I should actually put soap in it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just pause it for a minute. So soap in it? Yeah.
Well, no, just empty it. Like cancel it.
I don't know how to.
Wait. She's had this thing for like 2 years and she doesn't know how to work it.
4 years, and yeah, I don't.
4 years?
2020. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know any. Like, see how it says all this stuff? None of this stuff, like half load. Lots of times I like to do half load. I hit the button, nothing happens. I have no idea how it works. I use that button and that's all.
Oh.
Yeah, honestly, I
I'm
could
sure there was a
decide.
book or something that came with it.
Yeah, I don't read them.
Oh, okay.
That used to be Greg's job, and he used to tell me, and he doesn't do it anymore, so now no one does it.
Alright guys, I'm going to reinstall this. There's no leaks or anything. We're just going to make sure everything's good. And it being out like this is messing with her head, so.
Can I open it?
If you like.
Like it's off.
Yeah, go ahead.
There'll be water. See?
You can put that back again.
Oh, do you want me to put that back? That I know how to do because I clean that
So
thing
if you
out all
turn
the
it on
time.
here, it's thinking. Say speed, say start. Press and hold.
I give 4 seconds. I do. There you go. And there. That used to always stay on. Oh, now see it's paused. Okay, hit that again, Scott. Hit this. Okay. There we go.
Because you keep hitting buttons.
No.
You should be able to just hold that and it's going to drain and everything. It's thinking when it's not doing anything. You know that.
But don't you have to hold down different buttons to make it drain?
Yeah,
There,
you
now
should be
it's
able to just
filling.
hit, like it's starting. You should
I
be able
put-
to hit this.
To drain?
Well, I don't know, you don't have a book.
What about this? Is that it?
I don't know. Alright, she's loopy. I'll reinstall this and get back with you. Draining. Alright guys, I just got to attach this to the cabinet now and then, no sorry, I'm right here. And that'll be it. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
Wait.
Oh,
Get it.
yeah, forgot it.
Get it.
Now I'm ready, I'ma blow up.